want to show you how to delete any of your smart list. So in the last video, what we did is that we created a smart list in here. For example, delete empty contacts. And as you can see, it's empty now. So what you can do, so I'm gonna remove this filter and there's nothing still in here. So in order to delete my my smart list, you'll see that there's no option in here. So you need to come here into manage smart list and select the one that you want to change and click simply on the trash can. Something else that you can do in here, if I go back, don't save changes, is change the order. As you can see in here, they appear in the order they were created. But let's say that this one is more important than the other one, and I want to change places so that certain list appears in the first place, and so forth. So go into manage smart list, and then you can simply drag and drop. Simply select this one and move to the top or whatever. Yes, so that way you can change the places. And also to delete, simply select the one you want to delete all the way to the end and click on the little trash can. Delete, okay. It will disappear from here, and then I go back and confirm it has already disappeared from here. That's it. See you in the next video. Bye.